White bag is the hardest to quality control because it shows material aging most clearly.
White fabric yielding comes from two causes: oxidation from air or oxidation from light. Different cause, different tests, which is why we have two separate machines for this.
We use a glass clip to seal the test fabric alongside a control cloth that is guaranteed to yellow. After 16 hours, if the control cloth doesn't yellow, the test environment was wrong and the result is void. Even the test itself gets checked. This process is more simple. Just place the light-colored fabric inside and wait until 50 hours.
Now I have one of the test results. So how do we determine the color change rating? Come here. All color-related tests are read in a professional reading room.
The technician sets the light to D65, which mimics natural light per national standards, and then it needs the GB standard color change reference card. The same fabric can look different under various light. That's why a fixed environment is required for accurate grading.
Every retailer has to pass a professional exam to get certified, and they are retested every 2 years. If you are colorblind, this job is probably not for you.
For the passing standard, customer will tell us what color change rating they need. We'll test strictly to your requirements.
If the sample doesn't pass your standard, we will contact the fabric supplier to replace or return the whole of batch. Also, it not just target fabric. Any white or light materials like aged paint or leather can also be tested by using these two machines. Oxidation in white products often starts during inventory before it ever reaches to a customer. Earlier testing lets you eliminate this risk at the material selection stage. If you are looking for a supply chain partner who treats your quality standard as their own, we would like to talk.